Hi, so we've just arrived at camp. Exactly what I had planned for this part of the beautiful island. So the current outdoor temperature is 8 degrees. What is happening? Welcome to our channel. We're Paul and Tan and we're escaping crowds travelling around Australia in our troopy. This week we show you one of Tasmania's best free camps and take you to see the highest waterfall in Tassie. Please hit that like, subscribe and share button and stay tuned for more epic content. Enjoy! Isn't the reflection lovely this morning? Good morning. We're at Fern, Glade, Platypus Reserve, just outside of Burnie this morning. We've picked a good one. There's no wind, the water's like glass, so I reckon we're going to find the platypus. You'll be able to see the bubbles if there's any around. You never know. Like down here. Come here, there's bubbles. Another one through there. So no platypus this morning, but plenty of paddy melons. Love these little guys. They move pretty quick when they want to. Alright, so what did they say this river's called? The Emu River. So this is also one of Tasmania's 60 great short walks. Oh, look at this little guy blending in. Hello, little fella. Far out. They're not really that scared, are they? No. They just blend in. Look at that.
It's okay, mate.
Pretty sure they're used to people walking through here all the time. It is cold, yeah. So this place is only about 4 kilometres outside of Burnie, so it's a bit like surprising, isn't it? If you go a little bit just slightly out of the towns, you find these little gems. It's about 1 kilometre, is that right?
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I think it's not a loop. I don't think. I think it's like
just a one-way.
500 metre one-way stretch.
Yeah. Far out. Oh, there's got to be some in here, surely. So all that wood over there looks like it's all just washed down the river and just been dumped in the corner. Hello, we've just been into Burnie, done a grocery shop, packed the fridge. Paul's just going into the bottle shop to restock, and we're heading down to Lake Rosebery, hopefully to find a camp spot this afternoon. Tomorrow we're going to tackle Montezuma Falls. We're going to catch up with some friends, hopefully we'll see them down that way. And yeah, I'm not sure how far it is, probably a couple of hours drive, but yeah, looking forward to probably our last big walk of the Tassie part of our trip. Yeah, it's a bit bittersweet, really. I'm kind of sad that we're almost at the end. We've got, what are we now, Tuesday? We've got about 4 days left in Tas, and then we hit the Victoria mainlandy thing. Oh, here he comes. Stocked up. Hi, so we've just arrived at camp. Exactly what I had planned for this part of the beautiful island was to be on a lake, and this is one of the ones that's been pretty well promoted on social media, but didn't think we'd be able to get a spot. But have a look. We've pulled in and there's just one other lot of people camping across the other side of the road. Yeah, I can't be happier. It's you can hear a little bit of road noise, but just in the distance, and the lake's beautiful. So we're really stoked. We've just set up, put the awning out, set up for the afternoon, and looking forward to some friends joining us pretty shortly. So yeah, kicking back and having a minute. It's beautiful. Not cooking on the fire, are we?
No.
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 Good morning, everyone. It's freezing this morning. It's so cold. Okay. Troop convoy. We're off this morning to Murchison Dam, which is about a 5-minute drive from here. So we're going to have a look at where all the water goes. And then we're heading off to do some waterfall walks this morning. Yeah, so Murchison Dam, here we come.
Stuff just appears out of nowhere, doesn't it?
So the current outdoor temperature is 8 degrees. What is happening? We've had a lot of rain overnight, and I guess it's all just kind of, the place is just kind of slowly warming up, coming to life, hence all the steam. But it's spectacular up here. Danger. Dam ahead.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within.
So our little adventure to the Murchison Dam plan was foiled. When we got to the dam, there was a whole bunch of construction works going on. Looked like there was some big things happening, so we went to a lookout instead, but not over the dam, just over the river. Yeah, magnificent country out this side. We haven't, as I said yesterday, we haven't been through this way before, so it's all a bit new, but well worth the view. If you're over in Tassie, definitely come and explore this part. It's very pretty.
This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled.
So we're in the little town of Rosebery, and surprising, they've got this massive mining plant or something going on here. We'll find out what it's all about and keep you posted with that one. It's a bit like Queenstown. It reminds you of that kind of setting with all the mountains around it, but it's pretty specky. Anyway, we are finding little waterfalls. This one is called Stitt Falls, and apparently it's a massive 30-metre walk. I don't know if we can cope with that this morning. We'll push through. We're going there with our travel buddies Mick and Francie, and we will show you when we get there.
Up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out.
So there's a train line that runs across the top, and the little river, and a 30-metre walk to the falls, which are right here. It's probably better to see from over there, where you can actually see it flowing over. Can't really get a good view of it. There's a lot of water. We had a lot of rain last night, so
Moments pass, make this one count. Untie, you're so good at dragging.
Well, this one's been on our radar for the entire trip here, so it seemed fitting that we saved it until almost last. Montezuma Falls is approximately 8 kilometres return and is one of the most gorgeous walks we've taken so far. It follows an old tramway line through the rainforest to Tasmania's highest waterfall. You'll see what we're talking about when you watch this section of the video. It's just stunning. Oh, look at the water coming down from there. Whoa, all the way through. At towering 104 metres, Montezuma Falls is Tasmania's highest single drop waterfall, with the lower falls section cascading a whopping 79 metres into the pool below. You can view it from a suspension bridge if you're brave, or from the pool below. What a place! Welcome back everyone. We've just finished the Montezuma Falls walk and it was brilliant. It was absolutely brilliant. It was about almost 11 kilometres, but it was all pretty straight track, no steps. It's along an old tram line that was used for logging. Was it logging? No, it was a tin mine. I got that wrong. Anyway, it was used and closed down a long time ago, but the track that you walk is actually along the old tram line, and it's just beautiful. It is a massive vertical drop waterfall. It's spectacular. There was a little added attraction of a suspension bridge at the end, which you can walk out on and have a look at the waterfall from the bridge. You can walk over the bridge and the track goes off somewhere else. I don't really know where that goes, but you can actually just do a... Whoa. You can actually just do a... Sorry. Oh my God, this truck's coming. Sorry. There's a bit of an eye-opener on these Tasmanian roads. So we just did the walk to the falls and then we did the walk back. It was fabulous. It really had a good walk, and it wasn't overly hectic, just long, but it was good. Like a nice one. So that's our last massive walk that we've got planned for the trip. Oh, it's so sad. So today is Wednesday and we are leaving on Saturday. Sad, but we're planning the next part. So we've got a few things that we still have to do before we even think about heading home, which is super exciting. But we are currently trying to organise to get the car booked in for a service. Once we hit the mainland, Simba is due for another lube and oil change. So we are madly trying to find some internet reception so that we can organise the service to be booked in. We might have to spend a couple of days in Melbourne, I think. That might be just hectic.
What do you know?
Yeah, what a shame. We might have to go do some retail therapy. Haven't done that for a while. Join us next episode as we spend our last few days in Tasmania. Thanks again for watching, and your support through hitting that like, share and subscribe button is very much appreciated. If you're keen to watch some of our other trip episodes, here are some links. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you all next week. Cheers!